Yes. What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Really appreciate all you guys coming back. It means a lot. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe because this content is gonna be badass. Okay. So today we're heading to a car meet, a local car meet. It's like a last minute thing. Right now we have the homie Marcos cleaning his whip. So what up, Marcos? Hello. And also we have Omar coming, so hopefully this car meet goes good. It doesn't get raided, but you never know. It's California. I also have my baby over here. I already washed it yesterday. I actually got it, I took it to get washed, so it's still clean. I'm just gonna probably dust it off a little bit because from the dust, but yeah, it's still looking clean though. And what I noticed when I did the alignment, I think because it's new tires, so they're gonna like pop out a little bit more, but yeah, shit, that shit pops out like crazy. Like before it used to be like that, but since I think because they're new tires or the alignment, I'm not sure, but yeah, that shit pops out. Look at this, they sit nice. Look at this side too, sits dope. But I'm just gonna dust her off and throw a little wax, spray wax. Look who's pulling up, guys. This guy's always fucking loud. Fucking show off.
Hey!
What up? You gonna wash your car now?
Yeah, you already washed yours?
Yeah, I already washed. I cleaned it yesterday. I'm just gonna dust it off.
My car looks clean enough.
Yours?
Think so? I just dusted off.
Yeah. Alright, so you just clean my car now. It should be open, or I'll just open it. This dude's still cleaning his. He already cleaned his. Yeah. I'm just waiting for some other guys. They're gonna pull up right now. But yeah, some sick ass light right here. Woo! But yeah, we're just waiting for a couple more guys to pull up, and then we're gonna head out to the meet. The fuck? Hey bro, what's that? What do you call that, bro?
Nut.
What the fuck? Yeah, at first I thought it was like whipped cream, the bottle.
Yeah, I'm hungry too.
That's a little, that's too much, bro.
No, it's not. Black magic. Enough is never enough.
Really, nigga?
So what do we got over here, compa?
Huh?
What are you doing over here? Clean your
I got
engine?
a V8, dog.
A V8?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Fucking V8, bro.
Do you want to show them what you have on your trunk?
Oh
Should
yeah,
we show?
yeah, forgot.
All right, let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go show them. Come on, Marco, let's go show them. Yeah. Psych!
Oh.
Nice one.
Voila.
Woo! Going big turbo.
2.3. Yeah.
There you go. Take that shit out, baby. Take that shit out. Damn.
Yeah.
Hey, you should put that in the front of the engine and then pop your hood up at the car meet.
Yeah. Somebody steal it?
For real. Somebody would steal it.
Jackson.
Big turbo. When are you gonna put it on?
I got an appointment on Monday.
So how many revisions have you done already?
On this one I've done 5 and 6.
So you see, you done 5 revisions on the tune.
So
Just
you had
because
to
he put that on.
The high end pressure, he had to adjust that.
Yeah.
The top end, he had to adjust that, and now he's adjusting the low pressure.
PD tuning for live, homie.
Yeah, I think PD tuning is the way to go, dog.
Right?
Yeah.
She can't see shit. Right now we're Live, Instagram live. So, god damn, what the fuck was that? Straight creeper. Oh, you guys can see? Oh, there it goes.
I'm on TV.
What the fuck? So what up, what up, what up? Alright guys, so we're bouncing finally. We're gonna go follow Marcos. He's gonna go pick up his girl. We got the other homie over here, the white Eco, and then we got Omar. So let's head out.
5 minutes later.
Yeah.
The other guy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hurry up! Damn, really? Fun.
I'm gonna follow you.
Alright guys, so we just got to the meet and this shit is fucking popping. There's a lot of cars. You guys are gonna see right now. This shit is fucking popping right now. That shit's deep. There's a lot of cars. There's still more coming in. Damn. Where do you at? Guys, look at this fucking GTR. This is like one of my dream cars right here. You have this BMW. That's just wrapped like a matte black. Clean. I'll go walk around. Some fast ass cars over here. Hey, look at this shit's fucking packed right now. Which one?
I had him until like 45, and then he
Oh, the car?
That's a nice wrap right there, the orange one.
Yeah.
Huh?
What's up? Look what it is. What's cracking, bro?
Should have put the bus, all Mustangs.
I don't know. Just shut up. What the fuck is that? What the fuck? Camalito. I know that. Oh yeah. Fucking Audis are fucking crazy. Damn. Couple Ecoboosts out here. Mercedes. Look at a G-Wagon over here. Damn. Huh? What's that? I know, right? That's a nice rat. Alright, I must kick for a bit. Fun. Super or what? Clean as evil right here. Clean. Damn. Ecoboost? She's clean. Oh, there's like all the exotic on that line over there. Alright, so there's just a bunch of like different cars, like BMWs, like you guys see, Mercedes, Evos, pretty badass cars. Now I want to see when they take off, or more cars come. We'll see right now.
Look. Never again.
Dang. So what's up? Shotgun Garcia over here in the mix.
Fucking penis.
Penis? What the?
What the fuck?
That was a Honda Accord. Damn. That's really nice. That was a new Honda Accord. It's fucking turbo. There you go.
Actually, they're 5.0.
Fuck. Shelby? That shit was crazy. Fucking got that dude that was a fucking loud ass pop. I forgot fucking pulled over there. Oh, he's
that shit was quick.
Which gas? Alright guys, so we're gonna bounce because there's just cops coming already and it's too late. Alright man, what do you think about the car meet today?
It was cool.
It was chill, huh?
Yeah.
It wasn't that bad. Hey, what do you think of the car meet tonight? Gavilan or what?
Gavilan,
Hey, we should be sponsored by fucking Gavilan.
Yeah, we did. They're always eating here.
Whoa, watch it, watch it. Hey, buenas noches. Hey,
I only did that the other one.
No, do it right here.
Un, dos, tres, cuatro.
This was fucking idiot. What up? You're stupid, dude. Every time. Alright guys, so just go home. I'm sorry I couldn't record any more videos at Gavilan. My camera died, so I had to recharge it. And yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up here. Hopefully you guys like the videos. There's some badass cars out there today. And also I just want to give thanks to everybody for the support. Thank you guys a lot. It means a lot to me. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out, guys.